Good afternoon. My name is Kaitlyn. I'm going to be your student nurse today. Could you just state your name and date of birth for me?
Kayla Hundemark, 6795.
Thank you, Kayla. It looks like today on your order we are going to do a general survey. Get your allergies, your medication, look at your skin and do a couple of range of motions, as well as we're going to get your vital signs and also do a pain assessment. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Do you have the time right now to do that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, great. Before we begin, I'm just going to ask, have you had any hot or cold beverages?
Just cold water today.
Okay. Have you had any caffeine?
No.
Okay. And then are you a smoker?
No.
Could you state your height and weight for me, please?
I am 5'4" and 130 pounds.
All right. We're going to go ahead and get your vitals, if that's okay.
Okay.
I'm just going to clean off my stethoscope real quick and the thermometer. We're just going to leave this in until it beeps. And I'm going to put this pulse ox. This is just going to measure the oxygen saturation in your blood. And just to verify, I'm going to also take your pulse manually. Beeping. 97.4. And your pulse was 66 and your respiration was 18. So it was all within normal limits. And then your oxygen saturation was 98%, which is good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take your blood pressure. Do you happen to know your normal blood pressure?
120/80.
Okay. And we're just going to push your sleeve up.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. Thank you, that's good. We'll try that one more time. you're at 122/78, which is in normal ranges. Do you take any medications, either prescription, over-the-counter, or herbal supplements?
Yeah, I just take ibuprofen.
Okay, and then how often do you take ibuprofen?
Just maybe like twice a week.
Okay, and what do you take it for?
I get headaches.
Okay. Do you have any known allergies to either food substances, environmental, or medications?
Peanuts.
And then what is your allergic reaction?
I swell up, I can't breathe.
Okay. Are you experiencing any pain or discomfort today?
Yeah, I have a headache.
Headache? Okay. And how would you describe your headache? Is it throbbing? Is it pounding? Is it kind of stabbing pain?
It's kind of like a pounding pain.
And on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being no pain, 10 being the worst pain you've ever been in, how would you rate the severity of your pain?
Maybe a 3.
And is there any relieving or factors that make your headache worse?
School.
School makes it worse?
Yeah,
Okay.
school makes it worse.
And is there anything that makes it better?
Dark places at night, sleeping.
Okay. When did this headache start for you?
This morning when I woke up.
And is the pain continuous or is it intermittent?
It's just been continuous since this morning.
And what do you think is causing this pain?
I think it's nursing school.
Nursing school?
Mhm.
Okay. Next, I'm gonna look at your diet. I'm gonna have you recall the last 24 hours and what you ate, starting with yesterday's breakfast.
Okay. So I had Fruity Pebbles for breakfast with 2% milk.
Okay.
For lunch, I had a sub from Subway.
Okay.
And
And then was it a 6-inch or a 12-inch?
It was a 6-inch.
Okay.
And I just had water with that and an apple.
Okay. And then for dinner?
Quesadilla and rice.
Did you have any snacks in between your meals?
Yeah, I had a pudding cup in there. And some pretzels.
Okay. And would you say this is a typical 24-hour diet or meals that you would consume?
Yeah, I would say so.
Okay. We're going to go ahead and start looking at your skin and then your range of motions. Is there any areas of your skin that you have questions about?
Well, I have this new freckle here that was never there before.
Okay. When did it appear?
Maybe like a month ago.
Okay. It has normal color, just a light brown color. The edges are normal. There's no asymmetrical edges. It is not raised. It's less than 6 millimeters. When I touch it, it does not blanch, so it doesn't go to white, so that means there's no vascularity there. I would not be concerned about this. We would call it a lesion. I would not be concerned about it, but if it would change over time, and you're concerned about it again, please come in or call your physician. Your skin is warm to the touch, which is good. There's no extra moisture. The pigmentation is even. There's no excessive hyperpigmentation or hypopigmentation. The texture is good. There's no skin, like flaky skin or anything like that. There's no cyanosis or jaundice, so no different coloring of your skin. And we're going to go ahead and look at your range of motions. So what I'm going to have you do is, if you wouldn't mind standing up. Alright, we're going to have you move your arms in a circle. I'm going to stand behind you here. And then can you move forward for me, please? Is there any pain at all?
No.
Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and look at your wrists. So if you can move your wrists in a circle. And then flex them back and forth. Perfect. Can you move your fingers for me?
Mm-hmm.
at your joints you have no swelling, no warmness, pain, or tenderness to them. And then I'll have you sit down and we'll take a look at your legs. Alright, so we're going to take a look at I'm going to take your shoes off if that's okay.
Okay.
We're going to look at your feet. Can you move your ankles in a circle? Perfect. And then can you wiggle your toes for me? Okay. We're going to look at your legs. I'm just going to kind of touch your legs softly and look to see if there's any edema. So there doesn't appear to be any. Once again, you have no erythema, no redness, warmth to your skin. It's even color. Everything looks good. You're going to test your muscle strength next. So I'm going to have you flex at your elbows, and I'm going to have you resist my pushing. And then we're going to go this way. Perfect. And we're going to do the same thing for your legs down here, okay? So kick forward. Okay, and then we're going to kick backwards. Perfect. And then if I could just see your nails. Alright, so your nails are nice and even. You have pink nail beds. Your capillary refill is very brisk. There's no brittle nails or anything like that. And then I'm just going to pinch the skin on the back of your hands. I'm just going to test for hydration.
Okay.
So your skin went back quickly, which means there's no tenting, so you have good hydration. Then I'm just going to take a quick peek at your hair, if that's okay.
Okay.
Alright, so your hair looks, the texture is normal, normal for your gender and your race. There's no flaking or anything like that. And it's not brittle or areas of thinness, which is good. Next, I'm going to have you walk for me, if that's okay.
Okay.
Alright, we'll have you start where I am and then go towards the table. When you go there, if you could just walk toe or heel to toe, and then when you get to the table, stop. And then I'll have you turn around and walk on your tippy toes. Perfect. And then one more time, I'll have you walk on your heels. Thank you. And then we'll just have you walk back normally. Alright, I'm going to check your spine. So what I'm going to have you do is bend over. I'll take a look at your skin on your back as well. Okay, and we'll feel your spine. Once again, normal, no scoliosis, and then there's no lesions to be concerned of on your back. Before we sit down, we're going to do a test called a Romberg test. So I'm going to have you close your eyes, and I'm going to look for any type of swaying, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. You can open your eyes. Is there any other questions that you have for me?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. The doctor will be in shortly to see you. If you have anything you have your call light, please let us know if you need anything. Otherwise, thank you for your time.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, I have to say the other stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
So the client was alert and orientated, bilateral symmetry, so there's no deformities. The patient does not need to be turned because there was no ulcer lesions, no IVs. Her lesion was not caused by bacteria or fungal infections, and also, or due to medication.